Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to fix D3DX931.dll missing or not found errors. Let's start. Errors related to D3DX931.dll can arise for a few different reasons. For instance, a faulty application. D3DX931.dll has been deleted or misplaced, corrupted by malicious software present on your PC, or a damaged Windows registry. Good news is, we can fix this problem using two easy methods. Method 1. Go to https://www.dll-files.com. Search D3DX931.dll. There are two versions, 32 and 64. First, you need to check which version of Windows you're using. Go to this PC. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. Check system type. Is it 32 or 64? Mine shows 64-bit operating system. For 32-bit operating system you just need 32-bit version of D3DX931.dll. For 64-bit operating system you need both 32 and 64 versions of D3DX931.dll. For 32-bit operating system download 32-bit version of D3DX931.dll. Open the zip file and copy D3DX931.dll. Go to Windows, then System32 folder and paste it. Restart your computer, your problem should be finally solved. For 64-bit operating system download both versions of D3DX931.dll. Open the zip file and copy 64-bit version of D3DX931.dll. Go to Windows System32 folder and paste it. Open the zip file and copy 32-bit version of D3DX931.dll. Go to Windows Size WoW64 folder and paste it. Keep remember, paste 64-bit version in System32 and 32-bit version in Size WoW64. Restart your computer, your problem should finally resolved. Method 2. Go to https://www.microsoft.com/n-pk/download/details.aspx?id=35. The Microsoft DirectX installs a number of runtime libraries. All missing or not found DLL should fixed after installing this into your system. Select your required language and download. Install. Download and installation will take several minutes to complete. All missing or not found DLL should be fixed in your system. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.